Alright. I know it's been quite a while, but I just had to like throw on the recording for this funny bug because I've never seen anything like this before, okay? Before we fix this, let me tell you, this is gonna, like, if this happens to you, you are fucked. You are completely fucked. Because this bug is one of those bugs you just can't fix in production. Because if it happens to you in the context of like what I have, an encrypted chat app, you're gonna have a pretty bad time. So just let me show you what I'm talking about here. So we have this feature in my app called Tabletop, right? And you can put some cards here, okay? Pretty simple. That's me right there. We don't care about that, okay? But basically, let's just get rid of a bunch of this shit here. So we can create decks here, which are like pack of cards. This is just like a bunch of cards uploaded and encrypted, of course. And so if we click on this, we're gonna draw a card from the deck, okay? It has like a nice animation, like if I were to zoom in, like it comes from the deck. But that aside, once we drag them out, right, everyone can see that, and then we can drag them back into the stack. And what I've done now is like I've made it so that every time we drag this back, it's of course sending like a JSON to the server, and this is the JSON that comes back for our card. And every time we do this, it's parsed. There is just one tiny issue with that, and that is the JSON is parsed using, I think, the ASCII char set. I could be wrong on this, but then again, this doesn't matter for what I'm about to show you. So basically, if we go into my cards folder, and I'm gonna have to censor a bunch here, but we're talking about this card right here. And this card right here, I don't know if you can see this, but it has like this weird symbol, this A with two dots at the top in its name. And this is like a German symbol that we use. Like if you're German, you might be able to read this, but no matter that, okay? The problem is this special character, when parsed with JSON, it turns into this bullshit, okay? And normally, it will only be one of these characters, because that's how that works, right? Like, why would it turn into this mess? But the problem is, this character is also not in the JSON char set, or like in the char set that JSON is using. So what that means is that because we're using JSON over this char set, this character is gonna duplicate all the time. Because what we can see is when I copy this in here, so if we zoom this in right here, you'll see that those two characters are different from each other. Meaning that one of those characters splits into two of those. So what happens when this JSON is reparsed? It duplicates. So if I drag a card in here, you'll see the amount of the characters doubles. And now if we do this again, it doubles again. And now you can keep doing this for like a certain, and it's already slowing down. You see that? Boom! See how long that takes? Look how many characters we've got already! Oh god! Yeah, it's already like, I can't even, like, there's the scroll bar. You see this? This is our JSON! This is this fucking JSON! What the hell? Do you see this? And this is what I mean. Imagine this happened in production, because then I'd need to convert this whole mess back to something else, and that would have been, well, not exactly great. I don't know how this happened, but yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this as a devlog, but it's just such a funny issue, I feel like I have to. Like, if you're waiting for a devlog on this, as you can probably see, the app has changed a lot, and we're getting towards, like, actually getting it released, so if you're waiting for a devlog, that might, like, take a few weeks again, because I do want to do one again, eventually. But right now, it's just, I want to focus on the app, and I want to get it finished, and that's why I'm not doing one. But I hope this video kind of shows that I'm still working on it. With that, I'll see you.